In this Decentraweb tutorial, we're going to buy a top-level domain. So here we are at the beautiful Decentraweb homepage, and we can either click Go to App up in the top right corner, or we can search for a top-level domain right here. So let's search for anything that we want. And we can see if it's available. .anything is available, which is awesome. Now the next thing we need to do is to get our wallet connected. You can click either of these buttons to connect wallet. We're going to choose MetaMask for this tutorial, which pops up a MetaMask notification, and we will click Next. And then click Connect. And you may notice that there's a little notification here letting us know that our email address is missing. If you want to, you can add your email address, and this will allow you to get notifications when you have domains expiring and things like that, but you don't need to add it if you don't want to. Let's exit out of that for now. Now that our wallet is connected and .anything is available, let's go ahead and add it to our cart. We have our prices that it will cost right here. We have roughly $100 worth of Ethereum, roughly $50 worth of Decentraweb tokens, because we always get the 50% discount by paying in DWEB tokens. It's also important to note that these prices are roughly 10% higher than what we will end up paying because there is a buffer given the volatility of crypto. Let's complete our purchase. And this takes us to our checkout page. Now we have 4 easy steps to go through in order to get our top-level domain. First, we choose whether or not to pay with Ethereum or DWEB tokens. We want the 50% discount, so let's pay with DWEB. And then we will request to register. And what this does is this locks the domain for 30 minutes so that other users can't claim it while we're going through the checkout process. Let's click Request to Register. And this opens up the first transaction that we will need to go through. Let's scroll to the bottom and click Confirm. And then we are just waiting for the transaction to go through. Should take about 15 to 30 seconds. Then we don't have to do anything for step 3. All it is we wait for 1 more minute to make sure that no one else has tried to buy it at the exact same time. But we can go ahead and speed this up for the sake of the tutorial. Wonderful. Now that that's done, we just need to do step 4, which is to register it. Let's click Register. And we'll get another MetaMask transaction. And here it is. Let's scroll down and again, click Confirm. And then we wait for that transaction to go through. And we're finished here. This is a great time to set a reminder to ourselves when this is going to expire, so you can do it through Google or iCal. We can also go to manage our name. Here is our page for .anything top-level domain. We see that there is no parent. This is the root top-level domain. We see that this is on Ethereum as opposed to Polygon, the address that controls it, our expiration date. If you want to, you can go ahead and renew it and add more years right here. And then we have other settings that we can set down here, which we will do in future tutorials. But for now, that wraps up this tutorial. I'm Josh Cross from Coin Academy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.